Dear students, this is the online assignment to do this week and during Hanukkah. The first thing you do is to go to online assignment. As you can see, this assignment is divided into two groups. If your name is from Aleph to Yud, your last name, you go to group A. If it's from Yud to Taf, you go to group B. We're going to read an article together, okay? And the explanations are here about what you have to do. You have to write 10 questions and you have to answer 10 questions and give a summary of the text and complete the assignment by the end of Hanukkah. Now, if you are in group A, click on A. And it will open up the text for you. Now, as you can see, you can see a text. You can read the text page by page, going from page to page. There are 11 pages, but it's not that long. The last 3 are notes. Now, you can see I've actually put some notes here already, Elaine, today. This note here relates to decision support system. I've asked, what is a decision support system? Now, if you can answer this question, you'll click on reply. The next question I've asked, and click here, you can see the word in the text. What does inconsistency mean? Now, it means when something is not constant. So if I want to reply, I click on reply. And the first thing I'm going to do when I write my reply is write my name. Because if you don't write your name, I won't know who you are and you won't get a grade. So it's important for you to write your name first of all here. And then you write the meaning of the word inconsistency. Means when things change and are not constant. Now, you can ask your questions in English. You can answer them in Hebrew if you want to, but you must ask the questions in English. So, and then I can write save. So you can see that this is a question here, and Elaine wrote when things change and are not constant. The text is about when people mark a test and give different grades. Now, what you are asked to do is to go down the text, choose understand it, and write 10 questions. So, for example, if I want to ask a question on the number of compositions, is a chiburim, the students make, I click on the words I want. It opens up a box, and in the box I write first of all my name, and I can write how many times were the compositions graded. I've read the text, so I know the answer. Okay, it's a capital letter at the beginning of the question. Okay, when I finished, I do save. Now you can actually choose different colors to write in, which is nice. Everyone takes a different color, so you know who the person is who's writing in your group. Each person can take a different color, so you know that it's you all the time. Okay, so save. As you can see, it's written here at the end, and I can edit it if I want to change it, and anybody else coming in can reply to what I've written. So you have to go through the text and make 10 questions, and of course as soon as you do this, it's saved for everybody else who comes in to see. Don't forget that there are a number of pages in the text, and when I click here, the numbers appear, so I can jump to page 2, to page 3. It is a very interesting text. I'm sure you will enjoy reading it and you'll learn a lot from it. particularly people who mark Bagrut test or many tests for students in big classes. The text is fascinating. It really is very interesting. Now, when you've finished doing that, you have to ask the questions by a certain date, and then you have to answer them. But we have to ask the questions soon so the other students can answer. So you answer 10 questions, any questions you want, at least 10 questions from different students. More than one person can answer one question. We have a look back on the first page. You can see what is a decision system, what is inconstituency. And there's one reply, but somebody else can add another reply here. Start a new reply to the same note. So you might find that the first person didn't give a good enough answer and you want to add to it. You can always go back. So we were working on this about 9 people on this page, which is a nice number. Make sure you ask questions on different pages. Now, once you've finished, as I said, everything is saved. Then you go back to the assignment, and you can see this is how you are being graded. You have 16 days to the end of the assignment, but as you can see, you must write your questions by the 1st of December. You have until the week of our next class to finish the assignment. And then you're asked to write a 3-line summary of the article in Hebrew here. So 10 questions, 10 answers, summary of the text to be finished by Hanukkah. You click here to add your summary of the text. So I hope this is clear and you enjoy doing this assignment. And good luck to you all and have a happy Hanukkah.